For many parents, the special educational needs system is already a battle. And getting an educational healthcare plan, which is a legally binding package outlining the requirements for the child, is even more challenging. One mother whose child has an EHCP says the right to challenge decisions made by the local authority is essential.
So for us as a family, we have an EHCP. We're currently in the process of appealing 3 sections of the EHCP. If we didn't have that right, then our son would obviously be essentially forced to attend mainstream school, which is unsuitable.
She says when her son was placed in a mainstream school, the impact on the entire family was immediate and severe.
It was horrible. It was the worst time of our life. As a family, you know, it nearly broke us. Grayson went from being a really happy child to screaming and refusing to leave the house.
The government wants to change the SEND system to help ease the processes. They say the reforms will transform support for children across England, with £4 billion over 3 years to make mainstream schools more inclusive with targeted early interventions, of which £1.6 billion will focus solely on SEND.
And what I'm determined to make happen is that children get support earlier, they get it when they need it, and that we don't wait until things have reached crisis point.
Critics argue that although this is a step in the right direction, they say it's not enough.
And while £1.6 billion for frontline services is a substantial investment, we have to remember that this is stretched across tens of thousands of schools, colleges and early years providers, and it is over 3 years. So it will not be enough to fund increased staffing in each setting. We need to understand the plan for how this funding will change SEND support for the better.
The government say the reforms will create a more inclusive system where support is available in every school and community. But for families already navigating SEND provision, the white paper represents a pivotal moment, one that could reshape how children access education, support and specialist services for generations to come. Anjum Bakos, Sky News.